Hi everyone, so this is Rose once again, and in this video, I am going to show you how our BidPOS system works in a restaurant type of business with a kiosk order taking self-ordering device. So before we discuss further with the process of our software, I am going to introduce the devices that I'll be using in this video. So let's start with my mini kiosk order taking, which is a table mount top kind of device, and this is already touchscreen. It is already equipped with an 80mm thermal printer here that will print the order slip of the customer. Aside from this one, we also have my 80mm thermal printer for cashier. This is for the official receipt that the cashier will print later on during our transaction. And of course, my POS cashiering device. So this is a VFD all-in-one device. It is also touchscreen, where it makes it more convenient to our cashier to punch the order. Of course, we also have a front display here where the customer can see the total amount. So let's dive in with the process. So we'll start with our kiosk order taking, where you can actually see a slideshow of the products that I'll be selling. Also, you can see here at the bottom part the term start order. The customer can tap this one and automatically it gets redirected to the list of menus that we have inside the store. So these are my featured menu. This is for my drinks sa malamig. I'll be using a Filipino cuisine here. So I have multiple menus that I have. I have my dessert. I also have my drinks sa malamig. I also have my main dishes. So every time that the customer will punch, automatically they can put the quantities that they want and then tap OK. It will appear on top. And then I'll add another more for my lechon kawali, my pancit disado, my pinakbet, and some drinks. I'll add more drinks. I'll have my buko pandan, ice kapeng barako, sagut gulaman, as well as my mais kunyalo. If you want to remove a specific dish or order here, you can just swipe to the left to remove that item, and automatically it gets removed on our line of orders. So if I want to remove this one, I just swipe to the left. Okay? So if I want to add more, let's say for example dessert, I have my ginataang bilo-bilo. I also have my champurrado. And you have an option to key in a note that will get printed out as well in your order slip. Probably if you have allergies or if you want to modify your orders, add something like sugar levels, level of spiciness, so on and so forth, you can actually do that one here in the system. So here I am going to input sugar, please. And then tap OK. Next, I'll be adding more. And here you can see my total amount due, which is 1,015 pesos. If you want to confirm your order, tap confirm order. Then tap OK. Automatically, you have to choose the payment option that you want. Our kiosk order taking can accept both GCash as well as cash transaction here. So I'll just tap cash and our ATM thermal receipt will print. So this is the sample order slip that we have. I have my store logo on top, details of my store here, the list of order that I have, and then the total amount due. So once that the customer have their order slip, they can now line up or queue in the cashiering side. And then here in the POS cashier, the cashier will log in. I'll be logging in using my admin account. Like that. Next, once you have logged into the cashiering side, you may be able to tap the Fetch SO, which is this one, Control F or SO. And here in the order slip on top, you will see the SO number. I have here number 27, and I'm going to tap 27, and then tap OK. All the list of order from this order slip can be viewed here in our cashiering side. You can actually see here, I have my sugar please, for my champurrado, that is my note. I also have all the list of order and then the total amount of 1,015 pesos. For payment, I'll just tap tender sales, input the money of the customer, tender, until our final receipt will print. So this is our official receipt, and as you can see at the bottom part, it will say this is an official receipt. Thank you. Come again. Save receipt for returns and exchanges. So it's a very direct to the point process. For more information of the process of our kiosk order taking for restaurant, you may book a demo online live as well as you may chat our Facebook page.